Good morning, guys. Currently on my way to school. I have a class at 11:30 this morning, so I'm walking over to campus right now. Today's a really nice day out. It's like snowy but blue sky, so the walk over has actually been pretty nice. I also keep getting lucky with green lights, so yay. Good day so far. I'm excited for class. I'm really hoping that today is productive, but yes, I will see you guys there. Okay, it's currently 3:30. My first class went well, and I've been in the library ever since. I'm with Jocelyn now. We just had a bit of food, sandwiches. They were very good.
By the inch.
Yes, 4-inch sandwiches to be exact. I have class again in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go over some of my notes from last class before I go, and then I'm gonna walk over. Today's pretty chill. I thought the gap between my classes would be longer because it's my first day of going in person and having this big gap to just sit in the library, but surprisingly it passed by pretty quickly, so that's good, I guess. But yes, today has been productive, so I'm just gonna keep working. Yeah. Okay, psych. Me and Jocelyn ended up just sitting in the caf till 4, so I'm walking over to my lecture right now. I didn't end up doing any more work, but that is okay.
We're currently waiting for the prof who isn't there.
It's been 15 minutes since we were supposed to start class. Very late. I don't know why the prof is not here. All these random people in the background. Hey! Update, she arrived.
She arrived.
Like 30 minutes late.
We waited and we can now do the lecture.
Exactly. I feel like she's stressed.
Have the class left.
Yeah, everyone fucking dipped. Move, then stand.
Yeah, exactly. Especially with
It's so cold out now that it's dark. Oh my god, I hate it here. Okay, I'm back home now. It's currently 6:37. So I'm about to start making dinner. Cass is making dinner with 4 bell peppers tonight.
Red pepper pasta.
Yes. Can I try some?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do tofu stir fry. Make fried rice. I don't know. I ended up making a peanut sauce for noodles, and then I put an egg, some bok choy on top, and then I just made some cold tofu on the side. This looks a little bit gross. Presentation could have been slightly better, but that is okay. It tastes good. I think as I sit here, I might watch an episode of Too Hot to Handle because I still haven't finished it. I'm just gonna chill for a bit before I do some more work before I go to bed. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I got shampoo in my eye while I was showering, so my eye is just super fucking irritated right now. It's 10:30, so I'm gonna... God, I actually look scary. 10:30 now. I have to do laundry. That's one of the things I've been meaning to do for the past couple of days. So I think I'm gonna bring this bag down, and then I'm gonna, while that's going, I'm gonna do a little bit of schoolwork. I have 2 readings to do by tomorrow, and then we'll see how much time I still have left, because I don't want to sleep too late. But it's just downstairs in the building. I'm just hoping no one else is using it right now. So fun. Reading is my favorite activity. Peanut butter. Okay, I just got ready for bed. It's currently 1 a.m. I have a class at 8:30 tomorrow, which will be my first 8:30 ever that I actually need to get up for. I'm a little bit nervous just because it's literally at the other end of campus, but we're gonna see how it goes. I kind of wish I got to bed earlier. I was supposed to sleep like an hour ago, but my reading took me longer than I was supposed to spend on it, so it's okay. We're gonna see how it goes tomorrow. I'm in the same class with Cass, so we're gonna walk over together and like get ready together in the morning, which I think will be nice. We both made overnight oats that I can like eat on the way, so I basically just need to get up 30 minutes before to like wash my face, and I'll probably drink a coffee here before I go too. But yeah, I'm gonna get like a little bit less than 7 hours of sleep, which is not ideal because my class is at 8:30, but I need to be like out of the house by 8. It's so weird to me. I don't know how I did this in high school. I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you guys then. Just check the weather. It's negative 17 degrees today. Feels like minus 23. Fuck this. Good morning, guys. Okay, just finished first class of the day. It's currently 10 a.m. It was actually nice to get up early. Like, I'm gonna go work now. I have class only at 2:30, so now I have like time to grind and whatever, and I can finish class and hopefully I'm done with all my school stuff by like 4 when my class ends. I'm going to the library now to grind for a little bit. Hopefully I got a lot of stuff done. I just need to do a couple readings and like notes and stuff like that. I don't have any like intense assignments or anything. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm on the way back home again. I'm with Cass. She just finished class. I realized I was hungry, so I didn't want to stay on campus all the way till 2:30. So I'm gonna make pasta probably. I don't know. We'll see. I just want something warm.
Need to replace.
Okay, it's a little bit later, guys. We're currently making dinner. I'm with Isabel and Cass. We're making a bunch of Chinese food because it's... Oh my god. We're currently making a bunch of Chinese food because it's Chinese New Year today. So we're preparing a bunch of different dishes. Cass made dumplings. She bought frozen ones, and then we're gonna make some tomato eggs. We're making tofu. I have a little recipe book right here. I'm so excited. We bought a bunch of ingredients.
Oh, and the beans.
So,
the green beans.
yes, we bought green beans. Cass also got us dessert, so we have egg tarts to eat later as well. Wow. And we are done. Yum. And then Cassie arranged the rice. We have some wine. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, update. It's currently 3 a.m. I'm so dead. Holy shit, this day has been so long. Isabel's passing out in my spare room. And I'm gonna head to bed. The dinner we made was super good. I'm so happy that like all the recipes turned out. And I don't know, it was just nice to like sit and eat dinner formally. I feel like I haven't done a lot of like socializing as much recently. Today was fun, but I'm excited to go to bed. So I'm gonna try and get a decent amount of rest, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Rise and shine. I'm to go wake Isabel up and then make breakfast. Okay, I just finished class. We ended up finishing early today because there wasn't that much content to cover. So we only had class for like 45 minutes. I just got a coffee because I'm still kind of tired and groggy and feel kind of gross. And I'm just chilling in one of the buildings right now waiting for Cass to meet me. She's meeting me here, and then we're gonna walk downtown to go shopping because I've been needing to buy more like scarves and winter gear because I feel like I don't really have that much. Plus I have a Aritzia credit that I need to use before it expires. So yes, that is the plan right now. I'm just gonna chill here, eat my croissant and stuff, and I think she should be here in like 10 minutes. It's $38 for that tiny thing. No. But you don't put much. You put a little bit. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, look at like this. Ah, what the fuck? Hi guys, update. I just got back home. I had a class after being downtown. So I just walked back to campus and did that. And then I'm at home now. I didn't end up buying a lot of stuff. I think I'm just going to order a scarf online because I could not find what I wanted. But at least I know that I've looked. Which I think was worth a shot. I got a couple things from Sephora. I ended up getting myself the same tanning spray that I used the other night. But just in a lighter tone because, not gonna lie, some parts of my body look a little orange right now. So I thought the lighter one would be better. And then I also got like a application mitt, which I think will put it on a little bit smoother. And then I also just got the Inky List hyaluronic acid. I want to try this because right now I'm using a niacinamide one. Not from the Inky List, but from First Aid Beauty, and I like it, but it's running out. So I wanted to try out a different serum. Because it's my birthday month, they also gave me like a free little Tatcha thing, which should be fun to try. This is nice. Like I didn't think that the birthday gifts would be this fancy, so I was excited. I ended up getting another beanie, so that's good. And then we also went to Dollarama and got like some cooking supplies. I bought like a reusable container. And then that's it. I think I just don't like shopping anymore. Like I used to enjoy going down to stores and walking around and stuff, but I think I'm just, I don't know what it is. I feel like every time I go I either don't find anything or I'm just like stressed about like walking around, or I get tired, or I don't know. I'm gonna make myself some dinner. I think I'm gonna heat up leftovers from yesterday because we had a lot of food left, and then I still need to do a bit of work, so I'm gonna work. I might also take a shower before I start doing more school because I feel kind of gross. But yeah, that is the plan. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm actually not gonna do work. I changed my mind. I'm with Cass. We're in our spare room, but she actually does nails in here. I don't think I've ever talked about it on my channel, but this nails by Cass, my nail lady, lives with me. Anyways, I've had hearts on my nails for a while now, and I'm switching it up. So we're gonna redo them tonight. I think I'm doing like glitter extensions, which should be fun. I'm excited.
Birthday nails.
Yay. Oh my god, I can see my back profile in the mirror.
Dude, you turned the camera and I was hunched. I was like this.
You were like,
hey.
Yeah, we're gonna be here for the next
A little bit.
2 hours. Multitasking. Yay. This is how they ended up turning out. I just did like a sparkly base.
Wow.
Yay.
They're so pretty.
I'm so happy. They turned out so good. Time well spent. We're trying to film a TikTok. I look dead. Like I'm not moving. Why is I feel like I need to be moving. Like I can't just like
It looked like I killed you and I